Alright, burping babies 101. You want to start with one of these, a burp cloth over the shoulder. Very important step, don't forget it or you will know about it. Then bring your just fed baby up really high on the shoulder so that her head's sitting up on your shoulder like that. Then stretching, letting her body fall down you and just putting a little bit of pressure across her shoulders. Give her bottom a little pat upways, this way. That way she'll bounce all those bubbles up and you'll be ready for bed.